Hello, I'm Dr. Perrier. What I want to do today is show you how to make a graph from your profile data. What you're seeing on your screen are some columns in an Excel file. So you want to go into Excel. You enter the distance across the stream. At every 20 centimeters we have a distance reading. So this is going to be the x-axis of your graph. And then for the y-axis, we're going to enter some information about the depth from a string stretched across the stream to the bottom of the stream at these different locations. So pool depth, we're looking at the pool here. We have data for spring semester 2012 and fall semester 2011. Notice that this data is in positive numbers. We want to make it negative, so I'm going to do that for one column for you to show you how that works. So we're going to put an equal sign here. You're going to click on the depth data and hit the little star for multiply, and then click on -1. And we have, this is going to be a minus number there. We're going to go up and copy that. It should be copied. That's not. Let's copy it. When you see it making that little hash mark, you know it's copied. And then we're going to try to enter it into all these things below here. So we just go like that. We click paste, and we've got those negative numbers all entered. So we have negative numbers here, we positive, now they're negative. Now we want to convert, you hit escape to get rid of that little dash marks around there. We want to convert all that and save it over here as negative numbers. So copy the whole thing. So just copy that whole area, hit copy, and when we come over here to paste, we want to do a special paste. So we click on paste and come down and be sure you hit paste values. So paste values, and now we've got all those numbers negative. You'll do the same thing for each of your columns to make them negative. We don't have time to do all that. Now we're going to look at putting in a graph. So you're going to go to Insert on your top toolbar, and you'll see some charts you can insert. You want to put in a scatter chart. And you can see sticking down there now the scatter with smooth lines. That's the chart you want to put in. So our chart's going to go in this area here. Click on the chart and go down to Select Data. Go to Add. Now we can just put in 12 spring for the spring data. Our x-axis, we're going to have our x-axis, we're going to have all the depth data. And then in the y-axis, we're going to have, or the distance data in the x, and the y, we're going to have the depth. And just click OK. OK, there we've got our chart. And you can see a nice negative drop down. You can see the profile of the pool there quite nicely. You'll do the same thing for the fall semester data, and you would get a similar line. It's going to be slightly off because the pins were changed a little bit between those two dates, but you'll be able to see where it drops down and goes across. And what you will see is that by spring 2012, the pool had actually gotten quite a bit deeper than it was in fall 2011. I hope that helps you in a little bit how to make these graphs, and this is going to be posted for you on YouTube. Take care. Bye-bye.